Hi guys, Pilot Tumblers Minecraft here, and today I'm doing some more Scratch. Now, in this one, it's gonna be like it's like a game, a race game of score and stuff. Now we can just right click here and delete this cat, we won't be needing it. Now, for a start, this is what we're gonna do. We are going to make like a rainbow background, so we'll just convert to vector, and then we'll do this tool, make it red first, red, then orange, and then we're going to do yellow, and it's green. And the second last one is blue. And second last one, means there's one more. So the last one is purple. Let me just fill that one in. That one's not completely full. Try not to cover it. Okay, if you that's what we want a background to look like. Now we just need sprites. I think they're in fantasy. Let me find the one I was looking for. That was one of them. Tira. Just have to shrink it down one more. There's two more. They're all in fantasy. Pico. Shrink. No, once. No, that one looks good twice actually. There's one more that we're gonna have. It's in fantasy. Here we are. Gobo. We'll shrink that down 3 times. So from Tira, we're just gonna name this to Player 1. Now for the Pico, we'll just rename him to Player 2. And we need to make 2 variables. Oh, first one, we're going to click on Player 1, and it's going to be score. Make it for this sprite only. For Player 2, no, it's not make a list, make a variable. Just going to go like, we named it score again, but this time it's to Player 2. Make it for this sprite only. Look, Player 1, Player 2. Now Gobo, when he is clicked, we're gonna grab this, go to XY block, and when you want it to be a random position, so just grab this pick random, and instead of 1 to 10, this one will be minus 240. No, minus 240, not 240. It's minus, and then 240. This one would be minus 180 and 180. So you just click on the green flag, random spot. Now that's good, but like we don't want them to actually be, let's say, anywhere around here or anything. So this is as far as they can go. So for the Y position, it would be, we're doing, okay, right here. So in the middle, we need, it's minus 180 to 180. But instead of that, it's going to be 59. We're going to change that to 59. They can teleport anywhere in the X position, but this is like, so wait, where's the 59 position? They get to, so this is the minimum they can get to with the Y position, but the X position will stay the same, just so it can be a lot harder, so they don't go anywhere at the bottom. But we're going to need another one of these in a minute. I'll put it over here for now, but if he is touching, we'll just have to grab this ore block, and then this ore block, if he is touching in player 1 or player 2, he's gonna just go to the squad anywhere. So look, so now we can't move any of them with neither the keys, because we haven't added code for that. The Gobo sprite's done, so now we are going to need these variables. Now we need this when green flag clicked, and then we're going to have this forever. We need 4 if blocks. And go here, grab this key space press in each of them. So this one is going to do up arrow, oh no, we're not done yet, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Go to this one and grab the change Y. I need by block, and be sure to grab the change Y by, not the set Y to, or set X to, or change X by. Make sure it's the change Y by. The up arrow we're gonna do, it's gonna be 9. You can just duplicate that and change it to -9. But the second one we need to change X by. Now right arrow we're gonna do 9, and the last one we're just gonna do -9. So let me just test this out. He does move, but you see the Pico will not move at all, but we'll have that. So let's start this out. We're going to go over there to the Pico, but we're going to change this to up arrow is where is it, W, down arrow is S. Now right arrow is D, and the final one is A. So let me test him out. Yeah. Another thing, we're not going to need his costumes. They come up with like the same costumes, but we don't need them, so we're not going to do that, anything about that. But we're going to have them have their own home. So Pico's one would be here, actually player 2. Wait, what? Why can't I move him? Oh. Okay, now I can. So we're gonna do player 2 first. Grab this, go to XY. Now these two ones together, they are the same as this go to XY. You can do that if you want, but it's okay. So its spot is at 195 and minus 118. It's already there, but we're going to need another one of these that we're going to put in there. It's going to be a bit different. Its home is at minus 204 and 118. Minus 204. The other one's fine. Just step there, just back there, and there again. Now that's good, but like at the start of the game, score has to be set to 0. So we're just gonna have to do that on both of them. So now we're gonna need another if block. So if he is touching this gobo, it's going to just change score by 1. That's exactly same with Pico. I keep calling him Pico, I don't know why. Now, how if they equal 5, we want them to win. So we need another if block. If, then we're going to grab this equals block. So now, if score is equal to 5, we'll just have him say, hey, player 1 wins. And we'll have to do the same to him because they don't have the same kind. So if, then this equals, if score is equal to 5, then he's gonna just say player 1 wins. Oh, that one's player 2, not player 1. I accidentally said to player 1. That's okay. Just do player 2 like that. Let me test this out. Okay, I'll go for him first. What? What? Oh my gosh. It just goes straight to 5. It's not really what I want. I'll continue doing this in the next episode because it's about to run out. But I'll just save it for this anyway. So they should go to, oh, this one has to be minus 180. So let me try this out. What? Why didn't it